Aeropath is Aerologic's new 3D flight navigation feature. It enables the complete automated mapping of complex structures such as telecommunication towers, designs a flight path around the structure depending on size, type and location. Airspace and weather information is also integrated, ensuring safety of flight and regulatory compliance. This ensures maximum efficiency of operation. An automated checklist is conducted to ensure safety of flight. Once this is done, the pilot simply presses Agree and Start Flying to commence mission. The drone pilot monitors the drone flight, and the vision can be transmitted live to the client in real time. After the task is complete, the drone lands and the data is uploaded into Aerocloud and rendered into a high-quality 3D or CAD model. Aerologic supports DJI drones such as the Mavic 2 Pro and the Phantom 4. And our specially trained pilots access the Aeropath flight app on iOS and Android. Aerologic's mission control for drones.